Hey guys, welcome back. Wish you all a very happy new year. Oh my god, this is my first video of 2020 and I'm super happy we have reached 70k. I hope we reach 100k soon. Since it's a new year, I thought that I will do a new launch video with you guys. And this one is a one brand tutorial, which a lot of you guys asked for. You guys know how much I genuinely love the brand Sugar. I find their products to be affordable and I love their packaging, I love their quality, and I love how easy to use their products are. So recently they have launched a range of their face forward sticks, which includes primer, color corrector, contour, blush, highlighter, all in a stick form. So this is the very first time I'm going to be using these and I'm super excited. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with their primer, and yes, I'm wearing my husband's shirt. I'm just going to apply this primer on areas. I have large pores like my cheek area, my nose. Just going to blend it with my fingers. Okay, it kind of actually mattified my skin, which I like. It feels very smooth on my skin. Next, I'm going to use their foundation, and this is the Ace of Face foundation, shade number 32 Cortado. I love blending the foundation with the sponges. I just layered the foundation under my eyes just to make it act as a concealer. Now I'm going to take this Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade Chocochino. It gives a very decent coverage. I actually love how bright my under eye area looks. So this is also one of their new launches. This is the Powder Play Banana Compact, and I'm going to set my under eye area with this compact. Since it is a yellow based compact, it not only sets my under eye area, but it also highlights the under eye area. I just absolutely love how bright and beautiful my under eye area looks. They've also come up with the Powder Play Translucent Compact. So I'm just going to put some on my forehead, on my nose, like the top portion of my nose, and a little bit on my chin. For my brows, I'm going to use this Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Taupe Tom. So for color correctors, they've given me 3 shades. Face Forward Corrector Stick in the shade Onward Orange. This one is in the shade Peach Precedent. And they have a green one in the shade Jade Jockey. The colors are really pigmented and they blend really well and are very creamy. For contour, the first shade is Espresso Edge. And the second shade is Fawn First, which is slightly lighter than the other one. I haven't used stick contour before. And now I'm going to blend it using the sponge. It blends really easily. I actually love this color on me because it gives a very bronzy effect, which I absolutely love. I actually love how beautifully it blended. So they have 2 blushes. The first one is this one. This is in the shade Coral Climax, and this one is a beautiful coral shade. So this is the second one. It is in the shade Mauve Marvel, and this shade is also really pretty. I'm gonna go for the Mauve Marvel. I'm just going to apply a very little amount because I don't know if it's really pigmented, and if it's not, then I can add more later. And I'm going to blend it with the sponge. The best thing about stick products is that it looks really natural. So they've got 2 highlighters. The first one is Bronze Bellwether. The second one is called Champagne Champion. I think I'm going to go in with Champagne Champion. Oh my god, the highlighter is really beautiful and it's subtle. It gives such a beautiful glow. I'm feeling like going overboard, but I shouldn't. I should just stop here because I think this is quite glowy, right? Let's move on to the eyes right now. The eyes are super easy and I'm only going to use 2 eyeshadows. So taking this Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Fetish, I'm going to use this one in the crease area as well as all over my eyelids. And this whole look is a very peachy look, which is totally wearable during the daytime. I'm also going to use it on my lower lash line. Now taking this shade, I'm going to add this on top of the other eyeshadow. So it's going to be a mix of these two eyeshadows. I'm going to tight line my eyes and then apply it very, very close to the lashes, upper eyelashes. Now taking a smudging brush, I'm just going to smudge it a little. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is this Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade Black with a Bang. I love this mascara because it not only lengthens my lashes but also adds volume. Look at what it did to my lashes. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. For the lipstick, I'm going to take this one. This is in the shade Better Call Salmon. This is a beautiful shade. I think I'm going to mix it with another lip shade. And I'm going to take this Metal Satin lipstick in the shade number 7, Gabriella. And just like that, we're done. So guys, this is it. It was a very, very simple look and I loved recreating it for you guys. I love the stick range because it blends beautifully and it's got that pigmentation and my makeup looks good. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Also like, share, comment, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.